Hey product business owner, or soon to be one, welcome back to the channel. And if you ever thought, I have got an amazing product idea, but I've got no idea how to launch it, this video is for you. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact 5-step framework I would use if I were to start my product business from scratch in 2025, using the latest trends, tools, and buyer behavior shifts that have been proven to actually work right now. So whether you're selling candles, planners, fashion, food, or handmade goods, you'll leave this video with real clarity on how to go from idea to income with your product. So step one is all about validating your product idea. Before you spend a penny on packaging or setting up a website, you need to validate that your product is actually going to want to be bought. And I'm not talking about asking if your mum, if she thinks she'll buy it from you. I mean, you need real world validation. And this is where most people skip the step, and that's why they struggle, or they just don't know how to do it. So here is exactly what I want you to do. Head over to Etsy, Amazon, and Pinterest and see what's trending on there. Read reviews of similar products and take note of what people love and what they hate. Post teaser content on Instagram, TikTok, and ask any audience or friends that you already have for feedback or to vote on different options that they would prefer. Even better, open up 5 DMs a day and ask people directly what they're struggling with when it comes to your product category. Your goal is to find people who want your product, and most importantly, why they want it. When you understand the why, this also helps you to unlock your marketing, your messaging, and your social media. Step 2 is all about creating your minimum viable product. Your minimum viable product, or MVP, is your launch version. Please remember this, it is not the perfect finished version, it's the proven version. This is exactly what helps you to test the supply chain, get early sales and testimonials from your most loved audience, and gather feedback fast. So this means you can improve with confidence, knowing that everything that you're doing is with real customers in mind. So I want you to keep this step super simple. One product, one ideal customer, and one clear outcome. Don't build a brand around 15 products before you know if anyone is actually going to buy the first time round. Remember, it's better to be sold out of one product than it is to be overwhelmed with inventory that's collecting dust, you're stressing out because you don't know how you're going to shift it all. Step 3 is about building your online presence, because now it's time to get seen. And let's be honest, you don't have a business if you're not online. So we want you to start here. Build a clean, simple website. You can use Shopify or something similar, but make sure it's not something you're going to outgrow within 6 months when we know your business is going to be a surefire hit. Then we want you to set up one main social media platform where your ideal customer spends the most amount of their time. Remember, don't try and spread yourself too thinly. Understand who your perfect customer is and focus on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, wherever. Just focus on one, the most important one, because you can't make yourself understand the algorithms of every single one of them, publish enough content that's going to connect, and be able to run your business. So start small, go with what works, how to get in front of your customer, and then build from there. Once you've decided on your platform, we want you to use your bio wisely. Make it clear who you help, what you sell, and how to buy it. And here's a pro tip. Even if you haven't launched yet, you can start building trust right away. You can start showing behind the scenes, poll any audience that you have. Talk about the reason why you're starting the business. You're not just selling a product. You're building a brand that people feel connected to, and they need to be able to trust you. So work on that while you're working on everything else in the background. Step 4 is all about marketing that works in 2025. This is where most small businesses fall flat. They launch and it's silence. Marketing in 2025 needs 3 things. The first one is a message. This has to be clear and it has to be emotionally driven. Don't say hand-poured soy candle, because that's what a million other people are saying. Say a calming ritual for your bedtime routine. Consider where your customers are using your product. Speak to the way that they're using it. Speak to the emotions that they feel when they're using it, or the way it's going to make them feel once they have used it. Don't just list the features. The second is consistency. Show up daily. You can't just post once a week and expect magic. You don't have to be posting every single day, but if you're not posting, you should be engaging, you should be understanding what's working for other people in a similar area to you. You should be jotting these ideas down and using the best ones as ideas for yourself. The third is visibility. This is where we want you to start collaborating. Comment on your ideal customers' posts. Get in front of their people's audience with giveaways, features, and partnerships. And if you really want to level up, start an email list. It is not outdated. It's where the best sales will come from, and you will be glad you started this sooner rather than later. Trust me, I wish I started my email list before I opened my business. Just get started, collect this data. This is your data, nobody else can take it from you. And believe me, the sales you make from this platform will outstrip anything else. And step 5 is all about learning, testing, and adapting. This is ultimately what separates those who stay in business for years to come and those who disappear within 6 months. And here's the truth. Your first idea, it might not be your bestseller, and that is absolutely okay. What's important here is that you track what works. You ask for feedback every step along the way, and you listen to your customers. They will tell you everything that you need to know. And if you're brave enough to hear it, and only the brave will succeed. So please be brave. Contact your customers, ask them for feedback, and understand exactly what they love, what they like, and what they loathe. This is how your business will keep on growing. Remember, run with what's working. Ditch what's not. Business is a test. You're here to constantly test what's working, what's not, and why, so that you can keep doing what's working and you can stop doing what's not and tweak it and change it to see if it starts working better for you. This is not a one and done event. Your business will always need you and your energy put into it so that you can get the best results possible. So there you have it. The 5 essential steps to launching your product business this year. I have helped hundreds of product business owners grow their brands, and it always starts with this foundation. And if you want my help with your business, you can get started with these 3 masterclasses. I've created them to help you to attract more customers, convert them into paying clients, and retain them for longer. Simply click the link below this episode to get yours. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more retail success tips. And drop me a comment with what you're working on. I would love to check it out. Until next time, have a great day.